Hello friends, welcome to Training Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have another interesting product today with us, which is IKEA SNUDDA. This is a rotating wooden tray. As you see here, it is a round wooden tray. You just need to give it a twirl to get closer to your favorite things. It has multi-purpose use. You can use it in a kitchen or you can use it in some other places. The turning function of the base makes it easy to reach out to the food or the things that you keep on the top of this wooden tray. The diameter of this wooden tray is 39 cm and it can withstand a load of 12 kg. The wooden tray is sturdy and practical, and it's an easy way to upgrade the kitchen or dining area. When it comes to the price, the product is quite affordable. It is 649 INR and 7 and to 8 USD dollar, and you can go for it. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe to watch more video like this. See you next time. Bye.